Now that you're familiar with how to use some of the interactive features of Edmodo and using the news feed and the notes and alerts and assignments and quizzes, what I'm going to show you is the other end of what Edmodo looks like from the student end. So right now I am logged in as a teacher, but down here at the bottom I've opened up another web browser. I opened up Internet Explorer, and I'm going to enroll in my own course as a mock student. I'm going to make up a username and password just so you can see what the student enrollment end looks like, and also so you can see what it's going to look like once a student actually submits quizzes or submits assignments. So I'll come back over here and I'm in the class. I'm going to go to the class that I want my mock student to enroll in so that I can get the enrollment key. Here's the group code. I'm just going to copy it over. And really the best way if you want to do this to test it out and you want to go back and forth between a teacher role and a student role is to open up two different types of browsers. Not another tab in the same browser. They have to be two different browsers. It doesn't matter what it is, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, etc. Just as long as you have two different ones open. So I'm going to click back over here into Internet Explorer, and I have pasted the group code, and now as a mock student I'm going to create my username. So I'm going to put in, let's see, that's my username. And if it's already taken, we'll just add a number to it. Password. As a mock student, I usually just pick the same username and passwords to make it easier to remember. For students, email address is optional. If they do have an email address, it might be a good idea that they put one in, because if they forget their password, they can reset it themselves. If they forget their password and they don't put an email address in, you are going to be the one that's going to have to reset it for them. And then they're going to type in their name. And then we're going to click sign up. And if we put the group code in correctly, it's going to bring us directly to the course. So you can see my name shows up here, shows that I'm a student, shows the groups that I am enrolled in. I get a little welcome area because I'm new to Edmodo, and then I'm going to start seeing the posts that my teacher has put in here for me. So you can see over here I have a quiz that I'm supposed to be taking, and I also have, it looks like, an assignment that the teacher has created for me that I'm going to have to turn in as well. So I'm going to go back over to the teacher experience for a minute, and I'm going to click over here on my members. So you can see now that mock student that I just enrolled in shows up over here. So on the next video, what I want to demonstrate is what it's going to look like on a student end in terms of submitting something, and also what a teacher has the ability to do when something is submitted to Edmodo.